Hello students, today we will use quadratic formula for finding roots of a quadratic equation. Let ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Here a is not equal to 0. A is a coefficient of x square, b is a coefficient of x, and c is here a constant term. Then we can write quadratic formula for the value of x. X is equal to minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. By this formula we can find roots or zeros or solution of a quadratic equation. B square minus 4ac is called discriminant. And it is denoted by capital D. Capital D is equal to b square minus 4ac. So that we can reduce our formula x is equal to minus b plus minus under root d upon 2a. Or we can write our formula for plus sign. X is equal to minus b plus under root d upon 2a. And for minus sign, x is equal to minus b minus under root d upon 2a. For finding nature of roots, like roots are real, imaginary, rational or irrational, we calculate discriminant. Here we will use this formula for finding roots of a quadratic equation. Now we will find roots of the equation 2x square plus x minus 3 is equal to 0. This is our question. First of all, we will compare given question to the standard form of the quadratic equation, that is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Here a is equal to 2 because 2 is the coefficient of x square. B is equal to 1 because 1 is here coefficient of x. And c is here minus 3. Now we will replace these values in the formula. X is equal to minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a minus value of b is here 1. So we'll write here 1 plus minus under root b square. Value of b is here 1 minus 4 into value of a is here 2 into value of c is here minus 3 upon 2 into a is here 2. Now we will simplify it. Minus 1 plus minus under root 1, 3 2s are 6, 6 4s are 24, and there is minus sign, here also minus sign, so minus minus plus. Plus 24 upon 2a, 2 into 2, 4. Minus 1 plus minus under root 25 upon 4. X is equal to minus 1 plus minus 5 upon 4 because under root 25 is equal to 5. Now we will simplify for the value of x by taking plus sign and minus sign separately. So here x is equal to minus plus 5 upon 4. Now next part is here for the minus sign. x is equal to minus 1 minus 5 upon 4. Here we will calculate x is equal to plus 5 minus 4 is equal to 4 upon 4. 4 divided by 4 we will get x is equal to 1. Here x is equal to minus 1 minus 5, it becomes minus 6 upon 4. We can cancel it by 2. So minus 3 and here 2. So we have the value of x is here minus 3 upon 2. So two roots are here, 1 and minus 3 upon 2. Now question number 2. 4 under root 3 x square plus 5x minus 2 root 3 is equal to 0. Again we will compare this equation to the standard equation, and standard equation is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Therefore we have a is equal to 4 root 3 coefficient of x square, b is equal to 5 coefficient of x, and c is equal to minus 2 root 3. We will replace these values in the formula. X is equal to minus b, minus sign, value of b is here 5, plus minus under root b square, b is here 5, so 5 square, minus 4 into a into c, c is here minus 2 root 3 upon 2a, 2 into 4 root 3, minus 5 as it is, plus minus under root square of 5 is 25, minus into minus it becomes plus, 4 4s are 16, 16 into 2 32, root 3 into root 3 is here 3 upon 2a, 2 4s are 8 root 3, minus 5 plus minus under root 25 plus 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9 upon 8 root 3, minus 5 plus minus under root 6 plus 5 11, carry over 1, 1 plus 9 10, 10 plus 2 12 upon 8 root 3, minus 5, 121 is the square of 11, so we can write here square root of 121 is equal to 11 upon 8 root 3. Now after that we will simplify for plus sign and for minus sign. X is equal to minus 5 plus 11 upon 8 root 3, and here x is equal to minus 5 minus 11 upon 8 root 3. This is equal to 11 minus 5 6 upon 8 root 3. We can cancel it by 2, 2 3s are 2 4s are. So here we have x is equal to 3 upon 4 root 3. And since we cannot write a rational number in the denominator, so we have to rationalize it. So we can multiply root 3 in numerator as well as in denominator. So here we have 3 root 3 upon 4, root 3 into root 3 is 3, 4 3s are 12. We can cancel it now, 3 1s are 3, 3 4s are 12. So the value of x is here under root 3 upon 4. Now here for minus sign, x is equal to minus 5 and minus 11 is here minus 16 upon 8 root 3. We can cancel it, so we'll get minus 2. So x is equal to minus 2 upon root 3. Again we will rationalize it, so we'll multiply root 3 upon root 3 here. So our answer minus 2 root 3 upon 3 value of x. So we have two roots. First root is here root 3 upon 4 and another root is here minus 2 root 3 upon 3. Suppose in exam it is asked to calculate roots of the given quadratic equation up to the second place of decimal, then in such case we have to replace value of the root form. Here we have two roots. First is x is equal to root 3 upon 4 and other is here minus 2 root 3 upon 3. Here we will replace value of root 3, and as we know root 3 is equal to 1.732. So we will write here value of root 3, that is 1.732, and we will divide it by 4, so that we will get here 4 4s are 16, remaining 1, 4 3s are 12, 4 3s are 12. X is equal to 0.433, and if it is asked to write the answer up to the second place of decimals, so we will round off it, and for after rounding off we will get 0.43 is the answer, because this 3 is less than 5. So up to second place we have 0.43 value of x. Now in the second part there is minus 2 and under root 3 we know the value, that is 1.732. So we will write here 1.732 upon 3. X is equal to, we will multiply this minus sign and 2 in the given part. 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 7s are 14, carry over 1, 2 1s are 2, plus 1 is here 3, 3.464 upon 3. X is equal to 3 1s are 3, 3 1s are 3, 1 remaining and 16, 3 5s are 15, 1 remaining and 4, 3 4s are 12. Up to third place of decimal we have calculated. Now we will round off it, or we will write our answer up to the second place of decimal, approximate value. And since this 4 is less than 5, so approximate value up to the second place of decimal is here 1.15. Question number 3. 4 raised to the power x minus 3 into 2 raised to the power x plus 2 plus 32 is equal to 0. First we convert this equation in the standard equation of quadratic. So we will simplify it by writing 2 raised to the power 2 whole power x minus 3. We can write this is 2 raised to the power x into 2 raised to the power 2 plus 32. This we can interchange, like x raised to the power m whole power n, we can write x raised to the power m into n, or we can write x raised to the power n whole power m is equal to x raised to the power n into m. In both the cases we will get same answer. So by using this we can convert this part 2 raised to the power x whole power 2 minus 3. Here we have into 2 raised to the power x into 2 square is here 4 plus 32. After that we will suppose here 2 raised to the power x is equal to y. So that we will get here y square after writing value of 2 raised to the power x. So we will get here y square minus 3 into 4 into 2 raised to the power x is here y plus 32. Y square minus 12y plus 32. This is the quadratic equation. Now we will simplify this quadratic equation by using formula. Here a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 12 and c is equal to 32. Now the formula x is equal to, here we have variable y, so in place of x we will write here y. Y is equal to minus b, minus, and value of b is here minus 12, plus minus under root b square minus 12 square minus 4 into a into c, value of a is here 1 and value of c is here 32 upon 2 into 1, 2a. y is equal to minus into minus plus 12 plus minus under root minus 12 square is 144, 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12, and there is minus sign upon 2. Now we will simplify it. Y is equal to 12 plus minus 144 minus 128. 14 minus 8 is here 6, 3 minus 2 is here 1 upon 2. We can write 12 plus minus under root 16 is 4 upon 2. Now we will solve it for plus sign and minus sign. So plus sign 12 plus 4 upon 2. For the minus sign, y is equal to 12 minus 4 upon 2. 12 plus 4 16 divided by 2, we will get here 8. 12 minus 4 is here 8 divided by 2, we will get here 4. But this is not our original answer because in the question variable given x. So we will replace value of y, and value of y is here 2 raised to the power x. So in place of y I have written here 2 raised to the power x, and this is 8. This 8 we can write 2 cube. So 2 raised to the power x is equal to 2 cube. Here base part of both the portion is same, so power of this part is equal, or we can write x is equal to 3. There is a law, x raised to the power m is equal to x raised to the power n. If then m is equal to n. According to this law, we have x is equal to 3. Similarly, here we will simplify. Value of y is 2 raised to the power x, and here 4 we can write 2 square. Base of both the portion is same, so according to this law, if a raised to the power m is equal to a raised to the power n, then m is equal to n. Therefore x is equal to 2. Now we have two roots of the equation, and roots are here 3 and 2. I hope after watching this video you will be able to use quadratic formula for solving quadratic equations. Thank you.